All right, guys, here we go. We are riding T3 here at Kentucky Kingdom. And I'm laughing a little bit because this is a fun ride. I love it. This is one of the smoothest Vekoma SLCs ever, especially now that it has these brand new vest restraints and trains. Used to be T2, Terror to the second power, but now it has new upgraded super powers, and it is T3, Terror to the third power. Get it? Has nothing to do with Terminator, Arnold Schwarzenegger. All right, guys, here we go. This is gonna happen, and I'm somewhat prepared. All right, guys, here we go. Oh man. Okay, that was a slight jolt, but I'm all right. It's all right. Whee! It's bouncy, but it's fun. All right, get ready for it. The double corkscrew of amazingness. Whee! And whee! Oh man, we are surviving Terror to the third power. You, me, and Dupree, and it's amazing. And we made it. We are in the brake run. We have done it, guys. Terror to the third power. We owned you. We had you. This is our ride, not yours anymore. We own you. That's it. Put down your weapons and go home. Got it? Good.